What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Alt Delete, your number one source for everything in the world of meme coins, altcoins, and other cryptocurrency news. However, before we get into today's video, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own due diligence and research. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. So what are we talking about today here on the channel? Well, 677 billion Pepe tokens have moved. What is cooking? Well, Pepe's downtrend could have ruined the strategies of traders lately. However, some intriguing developments came to light according to on-chain data. The frog-themed meme coin has lost nearly 11% in the last 7 days. Whales added on their Pepe holdings amidst the downtrend. The turbulent world of meme coins can even test the resilience of some of the grittiest traders in the market. Fathom this: Pepe, which exploded 396% upon its blockbuster listing on Binance in early May, has been trading in the red over the past week as per CoinMarketCap. The frog-themed meme coin lost nearly 11% in the last 7 days, leading up to a press time value of this amount right here. Very, very small. With this, the monthly losses mounted to 13%. Now, while the shift in momentum could have ruined the strategies of traders, some intriguing developments have come to light according to on-chain data. By the way, if you're new to Crypto Alt Delete, hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell for notifications, leave a comment, let us know if there's anything you want us to cover in the world of meme coins, altcoins, cryptocurrency, or other blockchain news. Let's continue. Pepe investors, are they eyeing something big? Well, according to a tweet by Lookonchain, dated July the 27th, a smart money investor extracted 677 billion Pepe tokens from Binance at a buying price of this amount right here, which is very, very small. At press time, the transaction was worth $901,000. You can see the tweet right there. Now, smart money is a term generally used for well-informed and experienced investors having a better understanding of the market via viz retail investors. This cohort has access to a larger pool of capital and a track record of profitability. In the latest scenario, their moves can signal a lot of things because of sliding Pepe prices. This particular investor probably bought the dip in hopes of bigger returns in the near term. Considering the history of meme coins, this might turn out to be a good strategy. The other deduction was rooted in the past actions of the trader, as it was revealed that the smart money investor went into an accumulation spree in days leading up to the meme coins listing on Binance. In fact, just 12 hours before Binance's official announcement of the listing, about 122 billion Pepe tokens were withdrawn. Going by past behavior, this action by smart money seemed to suggest that a big move for Pepe was around the corner. However, it was not clear what the trigger could be. So data from Sentiment corroborated the findings made above that the exchange supply has fallen. Most large holders of Pepe made use of the dip over the past weeks, adding on to their holdings. Supply held by non-exchange addresses exhibit a stark divergence with the price action. That's going to do it for this edition of Crypto Alt Delete. Like, comment, subscribe, drop a comment. Let us know if there's anything you want us to cover in the world of meme coins, altcoins, or other cryptocurrency news. And we'll see you guys in the next video.